My name's Aaron Croman, and I'm here to teach you Photoshop. We're going to go over how to make sunspots. Okay, so first we have this black screen. It can be any picture that you want, family photos, or maybe a sunny time at the beach. Definitely anything natural or with sunlight. So let's go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare, and here we have a bunch of select sunspots. We have different types. We have the 50 to 300 millimeter zoom type. I mean, these are all just different types of camera. 35 millimeter looks a little bit different. Then we have the 105 millimeter, and for movie, just a little bit more dynamic. The cool thing about Photoshop is it has a lot of automated features called filters, and these can save you a lot of time, as you can see. So we can adjust where we have the sunspot by grabbing it, moving it around. Kind of moves in 3D space. And we can also adjust the brightness just from really bright to barely there. And so I'm going to have this up in the sky and hit OK. And there you go. A perfectly good sunspot. My name's Aaron Croman, and good luck with Photoshop.